Rahman sir was also very unhappy, But then at an event, I remember there was some Apple Music event, whatever, some event. He called me and then he said, I'm sorry. I was the Blinkit of my house.
I was the Blinkit of my house.
I met this guy, like a psychic. He said, you like drama. You don't like peace. And when you don't have drama, you create your own drama.
Aajkal, especially na Badshah, all of that is also mistaken as misogyny, as sexism. वो कभी सोचा है उसके बारे में before making a song?
Only the fact that probably I have the luxury of deciding what I want to do today helps.
Correct.
In a position like, if like I want to walk out of this interview.
Radio Nasha.
Hi, Pari हूँ मैं on Radio Nasha and with me it's your boy Badshah. Hi, how are you?
I like the way you say Pari हूँ मैं.
Yeah.
Take me back to the song.
Inspired by you. एक ऐसे iconic नाम होना चाहिए ना, like
That's
it's your
great.
boy Badshah. People remember. तो मैंने
That's
सोचा
a great way Pari हूँ मैं, It's nostalgic. I'm good. How are you?
Good. Let me begin with a confession. For the longest time, मुझे समझ नहीं आता था कि आप क्या कहते हो ये.
Yeah. Okay.
Have you heard that?
Yeah.
You've got it from a lot of
Yeah,
people.
Richie boy Badshah, Ishq boy Badshah, Issue boy Badshah.
I know.
It's
So,
wild.
did you at some point have to clarify this? Do you remember?
Never
कि आपने-
did.
Never did.
Like, why should I spoil your magic?
Oh, that's so true.
Yeah, like, sometimes like when we were growing up, हम किसी गाने के lyrics खुद ही perceive कर लेते थे. और फिर लगता है कि अच्छा ये lyrics थे, पूरा meaning ही बदल जाता है गाने. Like there was this song by Next. Next करके एक band था. Maybe it was a very sexual song. तो जब बड़े हुए तो पता चला कि अच्छा ये grinding की बात कर रहे हैं. Like, oh shit. My childhood.
Was a lie.
Let it be your world.
Yeah. बहुत अच्छा time था यार वो, because we didn't have access to like internet or Google, so we couldn't really find out the lyrics. तो हमें जो समझ आता था वो हम गाते थे, and it was a simple innocent world.
आप वो करते थे कि प्ले किया, पॉज किया, लिरिक्स मेरे को एक्चुअली लिखने का मुझसे पूछते कि लिखने का शौक तुम्हें कैसे चढ़ा. मैं फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम में उन्हें ये बताया ही नहीं किसी को. मैं कुछ कहानी बताता ये करता, बट ऐसे चढ़ा कि पॉज प्ले लिखो, क्योंकि सिंग अलोंग करना है बाद में.
Correct.
So that's how I started writing. Yeah, but
Yeah.
वो टाइम था.
Yeah.
No internet.
I remember I was talking about one song yesterday, which was, have you heard that song? Shakira ve, Shahid का. उसके बाद मुझे आज तक नहीं पता क्या है वो. Yasanaro, I don't know what that is. It's magic.
It's
magic. I got the vibe that you need. बाद में पता चला मुझे.
Got the vibe that's new.
Fun times. I'm sure this has happened with a lot of your songs also.
Yeah,
है ना?
हाँ, कई बार कई गानों में होता है. मेरे खुद के कजिन पूछते हैं ये है गा क्या रहा है. मैं क्या साले 10 साल हो गए ये गाने रिलीज हुए, तू आज पूछ रहा है मुझसे. It happens, which is how life is.
What is that one song that has been misheard the most? आपका कोई गाना?
Baby, do you dance like a नहीं, कौन सा मर्सी वाला?
हाँ, Mercy.
It's like you dance because you dance like a bro. It's a pro. I say, do you freak like you dance because you dance like a pro? So people here, do you freak like you dance because you dance like a bro?
Makes sense.
Why?
But that also makes sense.
Dance like a bro. See, it all makes sense eventually.
Right.
जो आप सोचते हो उसका सेंस बना लेते हो आप.
बिल्कुल. Congratulations for Morni.
Thank you.
मेरा पहला सवाल तो यही होगा, out of so many songs, how did you pick this? It's a very unusual pick, okay? Because सबने सुना है. It's from the film Lamhe. What an iconic classic film. But it's very, like, I couldn't think of anybody picking this song. How did that happen for you?
It's actually one of my most favorites. The film and the song. It's haunting in a nice way. It takes me, like, that's my ancestral land, Rajasthan. That's where we come from, and like it just takes me there. I feel like I am there. The whole Lamhe setup, the whole album, in fact, is a vibe. But like Morni, just ये जो notes है ना, ये बहुत poignant notes हैं. I mean, as a musician, I cannot tell you, but they just evoke a feeling. And so I was with Sharvi in Sri Lanka, and we were doing the show, and we were doing a sound check, and then she started singing Morni. And I was like, that's it.
Oh, that was the moment.
Her voice was like, I need to do something with it. And then Hiten produced the beat. And so the good thing is, both of them are not attached to the song like I am. You know? And also Hiten ne to suna hi nahi tha, like he's a proper Gen Z kid.
Acha.
So for him to reimagine it was easy. Because I just sent, तो शारवी ने vocals record किए और मैंने vocals हितेन को भेजे, and he did not have any idea. Of course he had a faint idea, like it's a folk, but so that's why it sounds so different.
When you are reimagining a classic song like this, are there certain things that you want to be careful about?
So with this, and let's say Hamma Hamma, I knew exactly what I have to do. And that's the best part. Like when you know exactly how you can flip a song, how you can, let's say, turn it into a Badshah song, but not like आप ओरिजिनल को टक्कर भी दे रहे हो, या मतलब उसकी सोल कहीं नहीं जा रही. Like even when I did Hamma, I faced a lot of flack, you know. With Tanishq I did Hamma, and Rahman sir was also very unhappy, you know. But then at an event, I remember there was some Apple Music event, whatever, some event. He called me and then he said, you know, I'm sorry. It took me time to realize it's a good song. You know, I was just unhappy because of there were some things. And that was probably the biggest validation that probably I wasn't looking for, but I got. And same happened with Morni. But on the other hand, like when I did Gore Gore Mukhde Pe Kala Kala Chashma, I had no clue. Where is this? Why am I doing it? Sounds okay, but it's not coming from within. Kala Chashma, we knew what we had to do with it. 2016, like we knew not to because it's a classic, and there is nothing else that you can do with that song. You can just ornament, you know. आप सजा सकते हो उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर उधर. But the soul has to be intact. Yeah.
There are many of your songs also जिसके remixes बने हैं. Have you heard any of your song remixes and do you like it?
Wakhra Swag, I understand the intent. As a producer, I understand the intent. As a film producer, as a production house, I understand. But फैसला तो ऑडियंस सुनाती है. तो अगर उनको पसंद आ गया तो अच्छा है, नहीं पसंद आया तो नहीं है. ऑडियंस गलत नहीं होती. ये ओपिनियंस तो ऑडियंस ही होती है ना. क्या करोगे आप व्यूज का, क्या करोगे आप स्ट्रीम्स का, अगर आप ऑटो में नहीं गाना बज रहा है या दुनिया गाना नहीं सुन रही आपका.
बिल्कुल.
कोई फायदा नहीं है ना. आप जमीन पे उतरो तो आपको पता चलता है कि चल क्या रहा है दुनिया में. I asked the other day, Saregama से पूछा, is TV still relevant? So much relevant it is.
It is, yeah.
And I found it when I started doing TV. When I got on Indian Idol, there was a thought of love that I started getting.
Yeah,
तो
TV.
reality से काफी दूर हो चुके हैं ना लोग. कमरे में ही सब कुछ मिल रहा है. 10 मिनट में ग्रोसरी
छोटी सी स्क्रीन पे मिल रहा है सब कुछ.
ग्रोसरी तक घर पे आ रही है. पहले उस बहाने से आप बाहर तो जा तो रहे थे, देख रहे थे लोग लगते कैसे हैं. अभी यही नहीं पता लोग, अब 10 साल में पता ही नहीं चलेगा लोग लगते कैसे.
देखो मेरा 10 मिनट का वो टाइमर वाज माय मॉम. जल्दी से 10 मिनट में लेके आ, गेस्ट आ गए.
I was the Blinkit of my house.
I was the Blinkit of my house. It was fun. But you know, Badshah, अभी आपसे बात करते करते I'm just realizing I'm going back to a conversation 5 years ago.
I'm getting old.
No, I am also realizing something about you, which is I am seeing a much more calmer Badshah.
Older.
If you want to call that. नहीं, but क्या हुआ है? What has happened? Is it adulting? Is it pure like growing up adulting, or has something within you changed? I see a like एक ठहराव, एक calmness, and you've got your own pace now.
Yeah. That's, I think there's no better way to put it. I know my pace now. I'm treading on it, not running, not walking. I'm treading. And I like it. It's when it's the ultimate thing. I don't know if it's good or bad, but it's peaceful, you know. And being at peace is always amazing. बुरा हो जाएगा peaceful है, अच्छा हो जाएगा peaceful है. This too shall pass, वो कहते हैं ना, ये भी जाना ही है. So that's amazing. That state is amazing. This state is amazing. I mean, only the fact that probably I have the luxury of deciding what I want to do today helps.
Correct.
In a position like if like I want to walk out of this interview.
Yeah, I hope you don't
No.
want to.
Like yesterday I was at this place where I really didn't want to be, when I was like, why am I sitting here when I don't want to? And I questioned myself, I got the answer, I stood up and walked away.
Wow.
I don't need to. And that's peace, that's success, that's happiness.
That's right. That's amazing. I mean, I hope you're all able to reach this state.
Please,
है ना?
you can, today you can. You know, एक कुछ बंधन होते हैं, मुझे डर लगता है कि लोग गलत इंस्पायर ना हो जाए, जॉब वॉब छोड़ देंगे.
मन नहीं कर रहा है. Why do I need to be here?
But eventually you'll find out कुछ होगा नहीं.
हाँ.
You know, कुछ नहीं होगा, सब सही है, सब कुछ सही है. थोड़ा ड्रामा, पता है हमें ना पीस अच्छा नहीं लगता.
हाँ, हमें ड्रामा चाहिए.
हमें, I met this guy, like a psychic, he said, you like drama, you don't like peace, and when you don't have drama, you create your own drama.
It's true. It is true actually. You create conflicts for yourself. Because
वैसे ही लड़ लोगे. तूने मेरा फोन क्यों नहीं उठाया? अरे भाई उठा तो नहीं उठाया तूने. 2 बेल में क्यों नहीं उठाया? You like drama.
Yeah, so this is a non-dramatic version of Badshah right now.
Yeah. Right now, though, yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
Ah, that's amazing. That's amazing. Basically, what you're saying is that you have the privilege of saying no.
Yes.
And I call this privilege.
Why
आपको
though?
अगर ना
I think
बोलना है
it's
तो
your right. Why is it privilege?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? एक तो हमारे कल्चर में ना ये बहुत सिखाया ना, ये बहुत सिखाया. क्यों लेकिन क्यों, लाइक क्यों नहीं? तो ये मुझे डर लगता है कि वही ना, मुझे बार बार डर लगता है कोई गलत ना इंस्पायर हो जाए. से नो, एक बार बोल के देखो कितना पीस है. हाँ, आ रहा है पार्टी को, हाँ आ रहा हूँ, और तुम्हारी फट रही है, रात को पार्टी पे नहीं जाना तुमने.
हाँ.
पूरे दिन तुम इस एंग्जाइटी में, तुम्हें पार्टी में जाना है. पार्टी में जाके और फट गई, पार्टी से आके फट गई, कल दिन वेस्ट कर दिया. एक बार पार्टी में आएगा, नहीं खत्म. पीस. मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं कि तुम ही रहना.
Is there any song that you have said no to, Badshah?
Too many. Recently, big song, big film, like a A+ film. One of my most favorite music directors, and I was like, I don't know what value I'll add to this song. And I don't know आपको क्या मिलेगा इसमें मेरे से काम करा. And he said, I love you. Thank you for being honest.
Yeah.
So when you say no to the right, and no, saying no is a way to find out if the person in your life is the right person or not.
That's also right.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
They stick around. They understand.
Amazing. What is the kind of music that you grew up listening to, Badshah? मतलब घर पे किस तरह का म्यूजिक चलता था? What has been your earliest influence?
रफ़ी साहब, मुकेश सर, पापा सुनते थे. गुरदास मान जी, मम्मी पंजाब से, हंसराज हंस. And then I found my own music. चित्रहार चलता था, Bollywood 90s. And then when I went to, and then of course school में जो कूल लड़के होते थे जिनके भाई बहन हिंदू या सेंट स्टीफन्स में होते थे, वो आके लेड ज़ेपलिन सुना रहे हैं. मैं कहते तो शोर है, इसमें गाना गाएं. That's how I was introduced to Backstreet Boys, Tupac, Eminem. You know, I grew up listening to a lot of things, but then hip hop consumed me, like hip hop chose me.
Have you ever felt scared? And I'll tell you why I'm asking this. Scared as an artist, scared about the fact कि मेरा शायद टाइम चल रहा है, बहुत टाइम तक चला है, but maybe नहीं हो. Because we have seen this and it is the reality. This happens with every musician, every artist, that कुछ टाइम तक वो जो वक्त है ना, वो उनके फेवर में रहता है. And then there is also a time which is like the lull time. Has this ever has this thought come to you? Has this scared you? Have you thought about this?
ये जो फेम है, आर्टिस्ट का टाइम क्या होता है? फेम होता है ना. आर्टिस्ट तो फेमस होने से पहले भी आर्टिस्ट था, उसके बाद भी आर्टिस्ट रहेगा. तो ये जो फेम है ना, मेरी ये थ्योरी है, फेम एक किराए का मकान है. एक दिन आप इसके अंदर आते हो और एक दिन आपको इसको खाली करना है। मेरे को बस ये मुझे थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो जाए कि मुझे खाली कब करना है, उससे पहले मैं अपने सारे शौक पूरे कर लूं।
नोटिस पीरियड मिल जाए आपको।
नोटिस पीरियड मुझे मिल जाए कि जो मेरे कीड़े हैं ना, जैसे मोरनी में डाकू बनना और ये कीड़े मैं शांत कर लूं। शांत तो मैं शायद बाद में भी करूंगा, लेकिन फिर देखने वाले लोग नहीं होंगे, अकेले ही करूंगा तो मजा नहीं आएगा। बट 100% लाइक इनएविटेबल है, कल खत्म हो सकता है, आज से 5 साल पहले खत्म हो सकता था। आई एम अवेयर ऑफ दिस, आई हैव एन आइडिया ऑफ हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू हैंडल इट। इट्स मेरे लिए आज छिन जाए, मेरे को कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई विल डू व्हेन इट एक्चुअली हैपेंस, यू नो। आपको पता है कि आपको बताया जाता है ना कि जब प्लेन लैंड हो रहा है, इवैक्यूएट, डोर ऐसे खोलना है, पता तो है आपको, लेकिन जब होएगा तो पता नहीं कैसे होएगा। सो आई डोंट नो हाउ, क्योंकि मैं देखता हूँ कि लोग, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर पीपल टू लेट गो ऑफ फेम, you know. I can see that. I see it with my contemporaries, I see it with my peers, like they're so hungry. और मुझे कई बार ऐसा फील होता है कि are we doing it for this, like am I making music की फेम है या क्या है, you know. तो ये तो तभी पता चलेगा जब होगा, बट मैं रेडी हूँ।
Okay.
पहाड़ों पे देख रखा है अपना
जगह ढूंढ के रखी आपने।
जगह ढूंढ के रखी हुई है, मेरा रिटायरमेंट प्लान। मैं I'll be chill.
Yeah, I think so. You will be.
I think I'll always be famous.
I also have a feeling
I
you
think
will
I'll
be.
always be, even if I don't make music, even when God says कि अच्छा चल music, I think I'll still be famous,
Yeah.
living a good life. I think.
Yeah. Touch wood to that. Hope to do that.
I hope it's wood.
It is. Hopefully. You were talking about कीड़ा कि you know ये डाकू बनना था, like how you then did it in the song. ऐसे कुछ और कीड़े हैं जो अभी तक
यार डाकू का
Explore-
कीड़ा इसलिए था क्योंकि ना मैं जिस कुनबे से आता हूँ, जो मेरा फैमिली बैकग्राउंड है, मैं सबसे सॉरी आप सबसे फेमिनिन काम कर रहा हूँ, गाने बजाने वाला उनके नजरों में,
correct.
कि साले आदमियों वाले काम कर, ये कौन, ये शादियों में कौन नाचता है। माय दादाजी वाज लाइक दैट। मैं अभी ये बता रहा था स्टोरी, तो मेरे दादाजी व्हेन ही वाज ऑन हिज डेथ बेड, वी न्यू ही इज गोना गो एनी डे, यू नो, ही वाज ऑन हिज डेथ बेड, ही कुड बेयरली मूव, उनको खड़ा करना पड़ता था। तो मेरे पापा को उनको पता चला मेरे गाने वाने आ रहे हैं, वन डे आई वाज समन्ड, लाइक तेरे दादाजी याद करे तुझे, मिला, यू नो ये बताते कि याद करें, जाने वाले हैं। मैं गया मिलने, ये कैंसर, ब्लड कैंसर, हिम व्हाई आई वांट टू बी अ डाकू। मेरे पापा को कहते हैं कि इस लड़के को बस एक बारी मेरी सीध में ले आ, मैंने जूता मारना है इसके।
अच्छा,
कि साले क्या कर रहा
क्या कर रहे हैं? हाँ,
you know, we come from that culture जहाँ शादियों पे गोलियां चलती हैं, you know, that's machismo, alpha.
it's manhood.
And probably that's why I write about it, because that's how I grew up. Our love language is चिल्लाना। सुबह उठ के अगर मम्मी पापा की लड़ाई ना सुनी तो नींद नहीं खुलती कि शांति नहीं आज घर पे। That is शांति for us.
आजकल स्पेशली ना बादशाह, all of that is also mistaken as misogyny, as sexism. वो कभी सोचा है उसके बारे में before making a song?
I have become more responsible, I'll be honest. When you're young, you're reckless. Content wise, I have become more responsible. And of course, that's a challenge. To write within constraints, you know, there are so many sentiments that you could probably end up hurting. But then, you know, that's a fucking challenge, and I enjoy a challenge. कि अच्छा और कमरा छोटा कर दे और अच्छा लिखूंगा, मैं लिख के दिखाऊंगा तेरे को. That's my job.
Yeah.
But if I'm not a professional, if you wake me up at 3 a.m. and suddenly ask me to start writing about this mouse, I am that skilled. I have worked hard for it and I will do it. So constraints, they don't matter.
Amazing. I think let's end with this. I have a segment on my show which is called Top 8. जहाँ पर आर्टिस्ट आते हैं, वो अपनी प्लेलिस्ट मुझे देते हैं, एंड मैं पूरी मुंबई के लिए उनकी प्लेलिस्ट चलाती हूँ. आपके टॉप फेवरेट 8 गाने कौन से होंगे? सो लेट्स बिगिन विद सॉन्ग नंबर 8.
I think at 8 would be ये कहाँ आ गए हम, फ्रॉम सिलसिला. 7 would be Morni,
Hmm.
the OG. 6 would be Chehra Kya Dekhte Ho.
Aha.
5 would be you remember a film called Hamesha? Saif Ali Khan.
Yeah.
Neela Dupatta Pila.
Yes.
There's a song called Ae Dil Hame Itna Bata. 3 would be Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi. The original, the duet. 2 would be Hawa Hawa, I think.
Arey wah.
Yeah, it's a beautiful song. It's just so beautiful. And 1 would be Ajeeb Dastan.
Wow. What a playlist.
है ना?
हाँ.
So proud of myself.
तो देखो एक्चुअली दिल में ये गाने हैं, बादशाह के दिल में ये गाने हैं, है ना?
टाइम बादशाह तो था नहीं ना जो उसको सुनता मैं.
एंड आई विल प्ले द सॉन्ग बादशाह ओ बादशाह,
Oh yeah.
जिसके वजह से आज
Absolutely.
बादशाह है.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
It was so lovely talking to you. It was so refreshing, this
Yeah.
conversation. And please do listen to Morni and give it all your love.
Yeah, yeah. Need
It's a
that.
classic reimagined.
Yeah, yeah. I love that. Really am I proud of the remakes that I've done.
Thank you.
Thank you.